Cloud security can feel overwhelming. Multiple clouds, endless threats, and compliance headaches. But what if you had a single dashboard that could help you protect, detect, and respond across your entire cloud environment? Today on Cloudmaster Live, we're breaking down Microsoft Defender for Cloud, what it is, why it matters, and how it's used in the real world. Stick around till the end for practical tips you can apply right away. Welcome to Cloudmaster Live, your go-to channel for mastering the cloud. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a cloud security insight. Microsoft Defender for Cloud is a cloud-native security posture management and threat protection tool. Think of it as your security control tower for Azure, AWS, and GCP. It helps you do two big things: strengthen your security posture by assessing your environment against best practices and compliance standards. Protect workloads from threats, using advanced threat detection and response. It's not just for Azure. It integrates with AWS and GCP, so you can manage multi-cloud security from one place. Secure Score, a simple percentage score that shows how secure your environment is, with recommendations to improve it. Regulatory compliance, built-in compliance dashboards for standards like ISO 27001, PCI DSS, and CIS benchmarks. Threat protection, Defender plans for servers, storage, databases, containers, and more, each with tailored threat detection. Multi-cloud integration, connect AWS and GCP accounts to get a unified view of security posture. Workload protection, advanced security for VMs, Kubernetes clusters, SQL databases, and even serverless workloads. Use case 1. Compliance readiness. A financial services company needs to pass a PCI DSS audit. Defender for Cloud continuously scans their environment, flags non-compliant resources, and provides step-by-step remediation guidance, saving weeks of manual work. Use case 2. Threat detection in multi-cloud. A retail chain runs workloads in Azure and AWS. Defender for Cloud detects unusual login patterns in AWS EC2 instances and correlates them with suspicious activity in Azure VMs, all from one dashboard. Use case 3. DevSecOps integration. A software company integrates Defender for Cloud recommendations into their CI/CD pipeline, ensuring every deployment meets security baselines before going live. Cloud adoption is accelerating, but so are threats. Without centralized visibility, you risk blind spots. Defender for Cloud gives you proactive security posture management, faster incident detection and response, simplified compliance tracking, multi-cloud coverage. For beginners, it's a guided way to learn cloud security best practices. For intermediates, it's a powerful tool to operationalize security at scale. So, to recap, Microsoft Defender for Cloud is your all-in-one platform for securing Azure, AWS, and GCP. It helps you improve your security posture, meet compliance requirements, and detect threats before they become breaches. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your team, and drop a comment on what you'd like me to cover next. And of course, subscribe to Cloudmaster Live for more practical cloud security insights. Until next time, stay secure, stay ahead.